This is the transport?
Yes.
What do you think?
I feel bad.
Why?
Because I've eaten camel before.
How do you cook a camel?
Braise it.
Ah, so it's like a long...
Can we have this
cooking.
conversation away from the camels?
Well, listen, it's Christmas season as well.
Oh, shit. But they're all getting up.
Yes. Now, how are we gonna get up there? He doesn't like you.
I know.
Can you take a picture of us three?
Say Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas!
Gino D'Acampo, Fred Sirieix and I are on a festive culinary adventure.
Gina! Come to Jerusalem to celebrate Christmas with me. Really?
Thanks to a classic D'Acampo cock-up, we're in Morocco.
That's it. I like it.
Not the most obvious choice for a Christmas getaway.
It's a cobra! Man, the donkey on the left and the car on the right.
Oh!
But as always, we'll be seeking out the very best ingredients. How's the eyeball?
It's gorgeous.
The warmest hospitality
Can you make 5,000 of those?
and Yuletide cheer.
You have to be kidding me.
Merry Christmas.
3 amigos, 3 big egos,
I hate turkey.
What? You're not cooking it properly.
back in the saddle again. Brought my fork?
Yeah.
We three kings of Orient are.
Would you like to come to Jerusalem for Christmas? Great idea, Gino.
Mais oui, the land of the three kings.
So, why on earth are we in the middle of Morocco?
Oh, come on. I got good deals on the tickets.
What a donut.
Why don't you just embrace the Christmas in Morocco?
Brahim, how do you celebrate Christmas in Morocco?
We don't celebrate Christmas.
Yeah, well, what's wrong with that?
A lot's wrong with it.
Oh, this one is kicking.
Listen, we are in Morocco. Here the food is fantastic. We're gonna embrace the culture. Right, it's gonna be amazing.
Thanks to Gino, our journey starts in the foothills of the Atlas Mountains. We're heading north through the Agafay Desert to Morocco's cultural capital, Marrakesh, home to the famous Medina.
Oh. I mean, it's very uncomfortable.
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 Oh, holy shit.
Fancy Christmas in Jerusalem. Really?
Listen, guys, Christmas is not about where you are. Christmas is about the people you are with. And
Yeah.
I love the fact that I'm with you to a Christmas.
These ships of the desert can walk all day without stopping. Us, not so much.
Gino, I'm surprised you haven't mown yet.
I'll tell you what, my testicles are killing me.
Have you ever got lost in the desert, Brahim?
With the camel? No, I've never. I just let them take the road and they always get me back home.
Wow.
My legs are killing me, Gino.
How much further to go? Seriously?
I need a wee.
We can stop somewhere.
Where are we going?
We are close to the village.
Arab and Berber tribespeople have been living in the Agafay Desert for thousands of years. We'll never get to Marrakesh before nightfall.
Salam alaikum.
We can only hope there's some room at the inn.
Gino, I've trapped one of my balls.
We're going down.
Here we go, this is the worst bit for me.
Oh, shit.
Ansli. Ah, that's Mohammed.
Bonjour.
That's the family.
Nice to see you.
Alhaj.
Salam alaikum.
Bonjour, madame. May we take our...
Yeah, you can
Yes.
take the turban off.
مرحبا مرحبا